So hello everyone. So just like I said कि आप ये if you are watching my videos there will be a link to the notes below. So you can open this link and you will have access to the all the things that I write in that lecture. So for example ये आपके first exercise के सारे notes will be available here and with questions and solutions. So let's continue with our next exercise, which is exercise 1.2 from the chapter real numbers. So let's open this. This first thing we have to do is the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. So let's bring this into our notes. So let's insert this. Yes. So this is real numbers, lecture 2. So fundamental theorem of arithmetic. So every composite number can be factorized as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the factors occur. So for example, any composite number, for example if I talk about 30, हमने ये division सीखा है और हमें पता है कि prime numbers क्या होते हैं. So I will start with the smallest prime number which I can divide this with. So maybe 2. So I will have 15. Then I cannot divide by 2, तो इससे 2 से बड़ा प्राइम नंबर क्या होता है 3. Then I will have 5 and 5 and then 1. So I can say prime factorization of 30 is 2 into 3 into 5. 2 into 3 into 5. So please remember I'm talking about prime numbers. So prime numbers क्या होते हैं? So we have prime numbers as 2, 3, 5, 7. Next one will be 11. 8 नहीं है, 9 नहीं है, 10 नहीं है, 11, 13. So these are the numbers which have factors. इनके दो ही factors होते हैं. They have only two factors themselves, number themselves and 1, right? They have only two factors. The number is called a prime number if they have only two factors, number itself and 1. So every composite number can be written as a product of primes. This is the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. So you can take any composite number and you will only find that it is made up of primes. For example, 120 की बात करें, so we will have 120 के लिए 2, 60, 2, 30, 2, 15, 3, 5, 5, 1. So I can call 120 को 2 की पावर 3, 3 की पावर 1 and 5 की पावर 1. So this is the prime factorization of any number. So basically I want to write this for the derivations I want to do further. Any number is 2 की power alpha, 3 की power beta, 5 की power gamma and so on so on so on. So there will be only prime numbers and उनके powers कुछ भी हो सकते हैं. So let's continue with from our NCERT. So after this the NCERT has given us an example. So let's put it in our notes. So let me first create some space here so that like last video I don't write on the picture on the right side and the logo on the left side. So let me create a lot of space first. So yes, this is here and we can write in this whole area, right? So let's insert the example from our book. So example 5 क्या बोल रहा है? So let me bring this example on the top. Consider a number 4 to the power n where n is a natural number. Check whether there is any value of n for which 4 to the power n ends with the digit 0. So 4 to the power n 4 to the power n is nothing but 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. How many times 4 will come? N times. And if you wanted to, you can directly write it as 2 ka square ka power n, and you can write the answer as 2 ka power 2n, right? So basically that's what I'm doing here. 2 into 2 for the first number, then 2 into 2 for the second 4, then 2 into 2 for the third 4. It goes on to 2 into 2 for the last one. So these are n pairs, right? So these are n pairs. So I have total of 2n. So this is 2 to the power 2n. 2 to the power 2n. So 4 to the power n is only made up of 2's, right? There is no 5. So please remember, आप एक number के पीछे 0 आने के लिए it should be divisible by both 2 and 5. To get 0 at the end of a number, it should have both 2 and 5 as the factor. Since 4 to the power n has does not have 5 as a prime factor, does not have 5 as a prime factor. So for any value of n, 4 to the power n will not end with 0. Will not end with 0. So let's see here. So that's what the NCERT also says कि इसमें कोई भी this number is not divisible by 5. This does not contain 5. So it is only made up of 2. It is 2 to the power 2n. So this will never end with 0. So there is no natural number n for which 4 to the power n will end with 0. There is no natural. Okay. Now we have to introduce what is LCM and HCF. So यहाँ पे HCF they are saying as the product of the smallest powers of each of the common prime factors of the number, and LCM they are calling as the product of the greatest power of each prime factor involved in these numbers. So I've already introduced it in the last lecture. So but I will like to do this for a number 1 and a number 2. So अगर मैं दोनों का prime factorization लिख पाता हूँ, so let me change the color here. So LCM and HCF. तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि हमारा number 1 will be made up of prime numbers only. So 2 की power A1, 3 की power B1, 5 की power C1, 7 की power D1, and goes on, only prime numbers. And number 2 will be also made up of only prime numbers. So 2 की power A2, 3 की power B2, 5 की power C2, 7 की power D2. So what is LCM and HCF? HCF में by definition and LCM में by definition we can introduce these boxes here. So let's insert this. Not here, from this, yes, from this. So HCF में I can introduce this definition and LCM में I can introduce this definition. I'm sorry, this one. Okay, so HCF is the product of the smallest powers of each of the common prime factors. So for example 2 की power में we will take minimum of A1 and A2. ठीक है, इनमें से जो भी छोटा पावर होगा हम लेंगे. 3 की पावर में हम क्या लेंगे? मिनिमम ऑफ B1 एंड B2, B1 कॉमा B2. 5 का पावर हम क्या लेंगे? इन दोनों में से जो सा भी छोटा होगा, मिनिमम ऑफ C1 कॉमा C2 एंड सो ऑन सो ऑन सो ऑन. फॉर एग्जांपल 7 की पावर मिनिमम ऑफ D1. LCM में वी विल टेक दी हाईएस्ट पावर्स, राइट? LCM में वी विल टेक दी हाईएस्ट पावर. सो 2 की पावर में मैक्सिमम ऑफ इन दोनों में से जो सा भी बड़ा होगा, A1 कॉमा A2 में से जो सा भी बड़ा होगा. 3 की पावर में मैक्सिमम ऑफ इन दोनों में से जो सा भी बड़ा होगा, B1 और B2 में से. 5 की पावर में से मैक्सिमम क्या लेंगे? C1 और C2 में से जो भी बड़ा होगा. And there is one more thing we need to prove about the LCM and the HCF. You can look into the NCERT for that. I will do the examples, but we need to prove that a statement. तो statement बोलता है, so let's write it. The statement says LCM and HCF of any two numbers is product of two numbers n1 into n2. So let's prove this. ठीक है, तो इसमें RHS का कैलकुलेशन करते हैं. RHS क्या आ रहा है हमारा? तो RHS हमारा आ रहा है 2 की पावर A1 इंटू 3 की पावर B1 इंटू 5 की पावर C1 इंटू 7 की पावर D1 एंड डॉट 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 मल्टीप्लाइड विद नंबर 2. नंबर 2 का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन था, इज द RHS. नंबर 1 इंटू नंबर 2, इट इज 2 की पावर A2, 3 की पावर B2, 5 की पावर C2 and 7 की पावर D2. And if I multiply this, so I will get 2 की पावर क्या आएगा? A1 plus A2, right? 3 की पावर क्या आएगा? B1 plus B2. 5 का पावर क्या आएगा? C1 plus C2 and so on so on so on. 7 का पावर D1 plus D2. So this is the RHS, simplification of the RHS. LHS क्या आ रहा है? LHS is LCM into HCF. तो इसमें थोड़ा हमें लिखना पड़ेगा. तो LCM क्या होता है? 2 की पावर मैक्स ऑफ A1 A2, 3 की पावर मैक्स ऑफ B1 B2 एंड 5 की पावर मैक्स ऑफ C1 C2. डॉट 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 मल्टीप्लाइड विद 2 की पावर मिनिमम ऑफ HCF में हम मिनिमम पावर लेते हैं ऑफ A1 A2. 3 की पावर मिनिमम ऑफ B1 B2, 5 की पावर मिनिमम ऑफ C1 C2 डॉट 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 एंड 7 का पावर भी आएगा. सो अब ऑल यू हैव टू इमेजिन इज कि A1 और A2 में से अगर A1 बड़ा है तो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट टर्म में वी विल हैव 2 की पावर A1 और यहाँ पे फिर A2 आएगा और फिर 2 का पावर क्या बन जाएगा? A1 plus A2. तो आई विल लीव इट एज इट इज कि 2 की पावर मैक्सिमम अगर A1 है तो मिनिमम A2 होगा और मैक्सिमम A2 है तो मिनिमम A1 होगा. तो ऑल यू विल गेट 2 की पावर A1 plus A2, राइट? एंड 3 का पावर B1 plus B2, B1 plus B2. 5 का पावर क्या आएगा? C1 plus C2 एंड सिमिलरली 7 का पावर क्या आएगा? D1 plus D2. So from these two, right, from these two conditions, the first condition and second condition. So from 1 and 2, we can say product of any two numbers is the LCM of those two numbers into HCF of those two numbers. Okay, and इसका यूज क्यों है कि हो सकता है कि क्वेश्चंस विल से बिकॉज आपके सिलेबस में HCF है, the question might say calculate the HCF using Euclid's division algorithm and then LCM calculate करो. तो हम we will calculate LCM by not by prime factorization but इस equation से I will multiply those two numbers and divide by HCF to find the LCM. Let's do the examples. So this was the theory that was required. Example 5 हम कर चुके हैं. So let's put some more space into this. And let's insert our next example and complete exercise 1.2. Okay, so we will be doing something here. So let's insert, not from here, so from the here, right? So हमें करना है example number 6. So example 6. Let's insert it here. So find the LCM and the HCF of 6 and 20 using prime factorization method. So 6 क्या होता है? 6 के प्राइम फैक्टर लिखने के लिए हम 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे 3 बचेगा, 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे 1 आएगा. तो 6 is 2 into 3. Okay, then we have 20. 20 क्या होता है? 2, 10, 2, 5, 5, 1. So 20 is 2 की power 2 into 5. So that I can take the LCM and the HCF easily, I will write it as 2 की power 1, 3 की power 1, right, into अब यहाँ पे 5 मिसिंग है तो I will write 5 की power 0. Any number to the power 0 is 1. So this number is 6. That is correct. यहाँ पे 2 की power 2, 3 मिसिंग है तो we'll say 3 की power 0 into 5 की power 1. So what is the LCM of 6 and 20? तो हम क्या लेंगे? मैक्सिमम पावर्स लेंगे. तो 2 की पावर 2 आएगा, 3 की पावर 1 आएगा एंड 5 की पावर 1 आएगा, which is 4 into 3 into 5. So this is 12 into 5, which is 60. LCM is 60. HCF of 6 and 20 is, इनमें से हम सबसे छोटे पावर्स लेंगे, करेक्ट. तो 2 का पावर 1, 3 का पावर 0 and 5 का पावर 0. HCF of these two numbers is 2. Okay, so you can check your answer also. So just checking the result, we can say number 1 into number 2 कितना आ रहा है? Well, number 1 into number 2 is 6 into 20, which is 120. LCM into HCF is coming out to be 60 into 2, which is also 120. So this checks our result also. Okay, next let's do next question. Let's insert it here. So let's do example 7. Find HCF of 96 and 404 using prime factorization method and find the LCM. ठीक है, तो सिर्फ हमें HCF निकालना है. हमें पहले 96 का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन लिखना है, फिर 404 का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन लिखना है. सो 96 क्या होगा? 96 के लिए we will do long division. 2 48 2 24 2 12, and there are lots of 2's, right? Yeah, 2 6 2 3 and 3 1. तो 96 का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन आ रहा है 2 इंटू 2 3 4 5, 2 का पावर 5 इंटू 3 का पावर 1, and 404 we can do it here. 2 202 2 101. 101 is divisible by something. Is 101 a prime number? We can is it divisible by 3? I don't think so it is divisible by 3. 101 is a prime number, so we have to divide by 101 and 101. So we have 2 ka power 2 into 101. So this is not a good format for taking LCM और HCF. तो हम यहाँ पे जो भी हमारे नंबर्स है लिख देंगे. 2 की पावर 5 है, 3 की पावर 1 है, और एक और नंबर हमारे पास अवेलेबल है 101. 101 की पावर 0 है इधर, एंड यहाँ पे 2 की पावर 2 है, 3 अवेलेबल नहीं है तो 3 की पावर 0 एंड 101 की पावर 1. नाउ वी हैव टू टेक द HCF. HCF में हम क्या करते हैं? वी विल टेक द लोएस्ट पावर. तो 2 का पावर 2 आएगा, 3 का पावर 0 आएगा, 101 का पावर 0 आएगा. तो HCF is 4. Now hence find their LCM also. तो LCM हम प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन से नहीं निकालते. Let's use number 1 into number 2 is LCM into HCF. So we can calculate the LCM now. LCM as number 1 into number 2 divided by HCF, which is 96. First number was 96, second number is 404 divided by 4. So if I cancel this, I get 101. 101 into 96, this is 606 909. This is 9696. So our LCM is 9696. You can find the LCM using prime factorization also. I have used this condition. We know product of two numbers is the product of LCM and HCF. So let's insert more space into this before we continue. Okay, and let's do our next example. Let's open it in the book. So this is example number 8, and let's insert it here. Oh, not from here, sorry, from here. So we do not have a theorem for 3 numbers, but okay, we can still find the LCM and HCF using the same method. तो हमारे 3 numbers available हैं इस बार, 6, 72 and 120. तो 6 क्या होता है? Well, I can divide by first prime number 2, then 3. अभी 2 से अभी 3 आया and 3 1, and then 72 के लिए we will start with 2. 2 पे आएगा 3 6 36, 2 18, 2 9 3 3 3 1. Then 120 के लिए prime factorization is 2 60, 2 30, 2 15, 3 5 is left, and 5 and 1. So I want to write यहाँ पे 2 into 3, यहाँ पे I want to write 2 की power 3 into 3 की power 2 into यहाँ पे 120 के लिए I can write 2 की power 3 into 3 की power 1 into 5. So all these numbers are made up of 2, 3 and 5. So अगर मैं इसको थोड़ा clean format में लिखूँ, this is 2 का power 1 into 3 का power 1 into, there is no 5, so 5 का power 0. This is 2 to the power 3, 3 to the power 2. यहाँ पे 5 अवेलेबल नहीं है तो 5 का पावर 0. यहाँ पे 2 to the power 3, 3 to the power 1 and 5 to the power 1. So LCM of these three numbers 6, 72 and 120 के लिए we will take the highest powers. तो यहाँ पे 2 का पावर 3 हाईएस्ट है इन तीनों में से. 3 के पावर में हाईएस्ट नंबर is 3 का पावर 2 and 5 का पावर 1 is the highest. So which says 8 into 9 into 5, 40 into 9, which is 360. Then HCF of 6, 72 and 120. For this we will take the lowest powers. तो 2 के पावर्स में लोएस्ट पावर क्या है? 2 का पावर 1 है, 3 का पावर 1 है and 5 to the power 0, and we get answer as 2 into 3, which is 6. So this is the LCM and the HCF of our required numbers. Now let's continue further. Let's see the NCERT. And yeah, the answers are fine. So we are on exercise 1.2. Express each of the numbers as the product of prime factors. So this is a very short question. So let's put it in our notes. So exercise 1.2. We want to do these 5 parts. Okay. So हमें बस prime factors लिखने हैं. तो first part here we will do 140 के लिए. So we will start with the smallest prime number, that is 2, 70, 2, 35, 5, 7, 7, 1, and we get 2 to the power 2. So we can say prime factorization of 140 is 2 to the power 2 into 5 की power 1 into 7 की power 1. Second part is for 156. So we'll do the long division, 156. So 2, and we have 78, 2, 39, 3, 13. 13 is a prime number, so we have to just divide by 13, 1. So I can say 156. A prime factorization is 2 की power 2 into 3 की power 1 into 13 की power 1. Third part. So what does the third part says? 3825. So first I will check with 2. तो ये तो odd number है. This is not divisible by 2. What about 3? Let me check. Yes, it is divisible by 3. So I will divide by 3. So 1 and then 2. Then 2 carry हुआ 21, 7 and 5. Then this is also divisible by 3. So 3. We will have 4, 2, 5. 425 is not divisible by 3. So next prime number आपका आएगा 4 से divisible. 4 is not a prime number. So next prime number is 5. So 5 से divide करने पे आएगा 85. Then again we will divide by 5. We will get 117, and 17 is a prime number. So 17, 1. So I can say 3825 is nothing but 3 to the power 2 into 5 की power 2 into 17 की power 1. This is the prime factorization of 3285. Then fourth part, we have to do prime factorization of 5005. So this is not divisible by 2. Let's check with 3. 48, 22, 5. It is not divisible by 3 also. So first prime number I will try is 5. I will get 1001. 1001. Is 1001 a prime number? Well, let's so 1001, maybe we should try with 7. तो यहाँ पे अलग से ट्राई करते हैं 7 से डिवाइड करके. 1001 7 से 7 and 1001 I will get 1 7 3 30 4 28 2 1. Yes, it is divisible. Yes. Maybe I can remove this. So 7 से divisible आ रहा है. तो 7 डिवाइड करने पे हमारा आ रहा है 1, देन 30 पे ये 4, 21 पे 3, 143. 143 is divisible by 11. तो 11 से डिवाइड करते हैं नेक्स्ट. We get 1 and 33, so 113 and then 13. 1. So 5005 is 5 की power 1 into 7 की power 1 into 11 की power 1 into 13 की power 1. Just notice 5, 7, 11, 13 all are prime numbers. So this is the prime factorization here. The last part is 7429, fifth part. Let's put some more space. So we write on the top, not on my face, right? So we have to do fifth part, prime factorization of 7429. So let's check it. ठीक है. तो ये ऑड नंबर है तो 2 तो चेक नहीं करेंगे 3 से. वेल 2 14 2 22 1 9. नो 3 नहीं है. 5 से डिविजिबल नहीं है ये नंबर क्योंकि इट डज नॉट एंड विद 0 और 5. देन 7 से 142 नो 7 से भी डिविजिबल नहीं है. नेक्स्ट प्राइम नंबर इज 11. 11 से 66 82 77 15. No, it is not divisible by 11 also. This is hard one, right? थोड़ा difficult लग रहा है. तो अगला प्राइम नंबर होता है 13. 13 से डिविजिबल है ये 65 9 92. नो. नेक्स्ट प्राइम नंबर है 17. तो इस बार तो लॉन्ग डिवीजन कर लेते. 17 7429. तो 17 का टेबल 34. So 4 is a 68. I will have 6 here, 2 here, 3 is a 51, and I will have 1 here and 1 here, 119. So 119 17 के टेबल में आता है. yes, 119 17 के टेबल में आता है. किस नंबर पे होता है? तो 85 102. so 7 पे we have 119 and done. So I can write, if I divide by 17 I will have 437. अभी अगले स्टेप में वी विल नॉट चेक दोज प्रीवियस नंबर, राइट, क्योंकि 3 से डिविजिबल नहीं है, 5 से नहीं है, 7 से नहीं है, तो वी कैन अगेन चेक फॉर 17. ठीक है, हो सकता है वापस 17 से डिविजिबल. इफ वी चेक विद 17, so 34, 97, no. So let's try with 19 now. 437 into 19, so divided by 19, so 2, 38, 57, yes, 3, 57, done. So 19, and I'm left with 23. So 23 is also a prime number. So this is a very weird prime number. It has, not a weird, but these prime factors are quite large. So 7429 का prime factorization is 17 की power 1, which is a prime number, 19 की power 1, and 23 की power 1. Okay, let me check the answer. Yes. So let me, I can remove this from here. But anyways, let's go to the next question from our exercise 1.2. So first, let's insert some space. Then let's put the question on this line. So हमें क्या करना है? We have to put a screen clip here. So question 2 बोल रहा है find the LCM and the HCF of the following pairs of integers and verify LCM into HCF is the product of two numbers. So okay, so first part में हमारा पहला नंबर 26 है, सेकंड नंबर हमारा 91 है. So we will do the long division on the right side. 26 क्या होता है? 2, 13, 13, 1. So it is 2 into 13. 91 क्या होता है? 91 is not divisible by 3. 91 is divisible by 7. So पहला प्राइम नंबर ये जिससे डिविजिबल है, दैट इज 7. I get 1 and 13 and 13 and 1. ठीक है, so this is 7 into 13. तो बेटर वे विल बी, मेरे पास तीन टाइप के नंबर है, 2, 7 एंड 13. तो यहाँ पे 2 का पावर 1 है, 7 का पावर 0 है, 13 का पावर 1 है, एंड यहाँ पे वी हैव 2 का पावर है ही नहीं है, 7 का पावर 1 एंड 13 का पावर 1. ठीक है, लेट्स फाइंड द एलसीएम. एलसीएम में हम क्या लेंगे? हाईएस्ट पावर. तो 2 का पावर 1, 7 का पावर 1, 13 का पावर 1, which is 14 into 13. So 14 into 13, 2, 1, 3, I'm sorry, 4, and 1, 14, 2, this is 182. And what about, so this is the answer. Yeah. So HCF कितना आएगा? HCF तो यहाँ पे हमने क्या लिया था? हाईएस्ट पावर्स, राइट? हाईएस्ट पावर्स ऑफ द प्राइम फैक्टर्स. HCF में हमें लेना है लोएस्ट पावर्स. 2 की पावर 0, 7 की पावर 0, 13 की पावर 1. The answer is 13, right? So this is the HCF was calculated using the lowest powers. And we have to also verify LCM into HCF is the product of two numbers. Yes. So our two numbers, so n1 into n2, this is the product of two numbers is 26 into 91, which is 91, 26, 6, 54, 2, 18, 6 8 3 2 3 8 6 and LCM into HCF. LCM into HCF is 182 into 13. So not division, multiplication. 182 into 13. We have 6 4 2 3 5 46. Then 182 6. Oh, this is 6. I'm sorry. If we add 6, this will be 6. So 6. And यहाँ पे 5 and 8 का sum 13. 1 2 2 3 6 6. Yes, so this is correct. In number 1 into number 2 is the LCM into HCF. Now let's do the second part. 510 and 92. Second part. First number is 510. Second number is 92. तो इनका प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करेंगे पहले. 510 के लिए we have 2 first, then 2 5 255, then 5 51. 51 comes in the table of 17. अच्छा 3 से भी डिविजिबल था. I'm sorry. तो ठीक है 3 and we have 17 and 17 1. So I have 510 as 2 into 3 into 5 into 17, which is 2 की power 1. But let's see 92 क्या है first. 92 is 2. So 46 to 23. 23 is a prime number. 1. So it is 2 की power 2 into 23. So I want to write this number as 2 की power 1 into 3 की power 1 into 5 की power 1 into 7 की power 1. There is one more number 23. इसका वो यहाँ है नहीं है. So we'll say 23 की power. We'll say 23 का power 0. Correct. 23 का power 0. And for here we will say 2 to the power 2 है. 3 का power 0 है. 5 भी यहाँ नहीं है. 5 का power 0 है. 7 भी यहाँ नहीं है. 7 का power 0 है. And 23 का power 1. And we have HCF क्या आएगा? Lowest powers. तो 2 का power 1, 3 का power 0, 5 का power 0, 7 का power 0 and 23 का power 0. तो HCF is 2. LCM कितना आ रहा है? LCM is highest powers लेंगे यहाँ पे. तो 2 to the power 2, 3 to the power 1, 5 to the power 1, 7 to the power 1, 23 to the power 1. So we have 2 to the power 2 into 5 is 20, 3 into 7 is 20, 3 into 7 is 21 into 23. So we have 420 into 23. Let's multiply these two. 420 into 23. 0, 6, 12. Then 2 से multiply करेंगे 0, 4, 8, 0, 6, 6, 9, 6, 6, 0. This is 9, 6, 6, 0. And we have to verify the relation also. We have to verify the relation also. So number 1 into number 2 का calculation करेंगे. So verifying relation. तो हमारा number 1 था 510, second number was 92. तो इन दोनों का multiplication क्या आ रहा है? 51 and 92 का पीछे we'll put a 0. So 9 2 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 0 1 4 6 2 9 4 6 9 2 0 4 6 9 2 0. So it seems like we have done some mistake. Let's see. Yes. तो यहाँ पे हमारा 17 था नंबर, नॉट 7, तो ये 17 की पावर 1 है. तो यहाँ पे मैं लिखूंगा 17 की पावर 0, और यहाँ पे हाईएस्ट पावर आए, लोएस्ट पावर विल बी 17 की पावर 0, दिस विल बी 17 की पावर 1, एंड दिस थिंग 17 into 3 is 51. So let's correct this calculation. So let's see. We have 20 into 51 into 23, which is 23460. Okay. And number 1 into number 2 is this, and let's calculate LCM into HCF. So LCM into HCF is 23460 into 2, which is the same number, 46920. Correct? So moving forward, we have the third part, 336 and 54. So you can see it here also, third part, 336 and 54 में हमें LCM and HCF निकालना. So third part, let's change the color also maybe. Three 36 and 54. The first number is 336, second number is 54. Prime factorization निकालते 336 2 1 6 8 2 84 2 42 2 21 3 7 7 1. तो यहाँ पे 2 आ रहा है 4 बार, 3 और 7 एक बार, तो 2 to the power 4 into 3 into 7, 54 is 2 27, then it's just all made up of 3's now. इसमें हर जगह 3 है, so it is 2 into 3 की power 3. So okay, I want to write this as 2 की power 4 into 3 की power 1 into 7 की power 1. This thing I want to write as 2 की power 1 into 3 की power 3 into 7 की power 0. HCF of all these numbers के लिए हम lowest power लेंगे, तो 2 की power 1, 3 की power 1 and 7 की power 0. HCF is 2 into 3, which is 6. LCM of these two numbers is highest powers 2 की power 4, 3 की power 3, 7 की power 1, which is 16 into 27 into 7. Let's calculate that. So 16 into 7. So 16 into 7, 112 into 27. Let's calculate that. Let's see, 3024. If you want, you can check it by multiplying the whole thing. But now we have to verify the relation. So number 1 into number 2. So we will say verifying relation. Number 1 into number 2 is 336 into 54. You can check that. 336 into 54 is 18,144, and LCM into HCF is 6 into 3024. I'm sorry, 3024 into, it is 3024 into 6. So let's check that also. 3024 into 6, which is 18,144, and we have verified the relation. So moving forward, first let's put some space here, and let's introduce our question in this line. So we will do question 3 now. So not from here, so from here. Maybe I should minimize this. So question 3, right? Yeah, question 3. So using prime factorization, find the LCM and HCF of these numbers. First part is 12, 15 and 21 के लिए. तो इसके लिए तो मैं prime factorization डायरेक्टली लिख दूँ. This is 2 into 2 into 3, so it is 2 की power 2 into 3. This is 3 into 5 and this is 3 into 7. तो अगर मेरे को सारे नंबर्स देखने तो देर आर 2 है, यहाँ 3 है, 5 है और 7 है. तो यहाँ 2 की पावर 2 है इंटू 3 की पावर 1 इंटू 5 की पावर 0 इंटू 7 की पावर 0. यहाँ पे वी डू नॉट हैव अ 2, बट 3 की पावर 1 है, 5 की पावर 1 है, 7 की पावर 0. यहाँ पे देर इज नो 2, 3 की पावर 1, 5 मिसिंग है, 7 की पावर 1. HCF of 12, 15 and 21 के लिए हम क्या लेंगे? लोएस्ट पावर्स 2 की पावर 0, 3 की पावर 1 इंटू 5 की पावर 0 इंटू 7 की पावर 0. HCF is 3. LCM of these numbers is highest power, so 12, 15 और 21 के लिए HCF में हम लेंगे 2 की पावर 2, 3 की पावर 1, 5 की पावर 1 इंटू 7 की पावर 1. So this is 4 into 3, this is 4 into 3 into 5 into 7. So this is 12. Maybe I should multiply these two first. 20 into 21. This is 420. Taking the answer. So yes. So next part is 17, 23 and 29. Second part. Let's change the color. So we have to find LCM and HCF of 17, 23 and 29. So 17 का prime factorization is just 17, right? It is a prime number. 23 का prime factorization is 23, and 29 is also prime number 29. So but LCM और HCF लेने के लिए there are 3 types of numbers, right? So I will say this is 17 की power 1 into 23 की power 0 into 29 की power 0. This is 17 to the power 0, 23 की power 1 into 29 to the power 0. This is 17 to the power 0 into 23 to the power 0 into 29 to the power 1. तो HCF कैलकुलेट करने के लिए 17, 23 and 29 का we will take out, हम क्या लेंगे? लोएस्ट पावर्स. तो 17 to the power 0, 23 to the power 0 into 29 की पावर 0. which is 1 into 1 into 1. HCF is 1. That is fine कि इनमें से हम highest common क्या निकाल सकते हैं, 1 निकाल सकते हैं. LCM, we will take the highest powers of all the prime factors. तो इसके प्राइम फैक्टर्स में हाईएस्ट पावर आ रहा है 17 की पावर 1 इंटू 23 की पावर 1 इंटू 29 की पावर 1. सो दीज आर क्वाइट लार्ज नंबर्स. लेट्स यूज अ कैलकुलेटर. So we have 17 into 23 as 391. तो इन दोनों का प्रोडक्ट आ रहा है 391 into 23 29 into 29. We have 11,339 as the LCM of these three numbers. That's a quite large of काफी बड़ा LCM आ रहा है. Then we have third part. तो थर्ड पार्ट क्या बोल रहा है? Third part is 8, 9 and 25. So 8, 9 and 25. So 8 is 2 की power 3, this is 3 की power 2 and this is 5 की power 2. So यहाँ पे 2, 3 and 5 there are 3 type of prime numbers. I want to say this is 2 की power 3 into 3 की power 0 into 5 की power 0. This is 2 की power 0 into 3 की power 2 into 5 की power 0. This is 2 to the power 0 into 3 to the power 0 into 5 to the power 2. HCF में of 8, 9 and 25 we will take the lowest powers 2 to the power 0, 3 to the power 0 and 5 to the power 0. HCF is 1. LCM of these three numbers we will take the highest powers of the prime factors. So 2 की power 3, 3 की power 2 and 5 की power 2, which is 100, 600, sorry, 9, 1800, which is 1800. Yes. So that completes the third question. So now let's do the fourth question. So ये रहा हमारा fourth question. Let's insert it at this place. So given that HCF of 306 and 657 is 9, LCM निकालना है, ठीक है. So we can use product of two numbers n1 into n2 is LCM of these two numbers into HCF of these two numbers. तो हमारे पास गिवन है नंबर 1 is गिवन है नंबर 1 क्या है 306, राइट. नंबर 2 क्या है 657. You can read it from here. This is the HCF of these two numbers. और हमें इन दोनों का नंबर्स का LCM निकालना है और HCF भी गिवन है हमारे पास. HCF is 9. So I can say 306 into 657 is LCM into 9. तो हम 9 से डिवाइड करते हैं. तो पहले मैं तो हमारा LCM क्या आ रहा है? LCM is 306 into 657 divided by 9. So if I divide by 3, I will get 102. So this is still divisible by 3. Or is this one divisible by? This one is also divisible by 3. Let's divide this. So 2, then 1, 9. So our answer is LCM is 102 into 219. Let's use a calculator for that right now. So 102 into 219, 22338. Let's check the answer. Yes. The LCM is 22338. So this is the LCM of the two numbers that we were. Uh, so this is easy, right? So let's change the color maybe. Let's draw with this color and insert some space. And let's put the next question in. Okay. The next question is this. Check whether 6 to the power n can end with 0 for any natural number. So 6 की power n is 2 into 3 की power n. This is 2 की power n into 3 की power n. So I will write, there is no 5, right? So to end with 0, there should be at least one 5 and at least, so a number can only end with 0 if its prime factorization has at least, so at least 1 2 and 1 5. तो दोनों एक ना एक बार तो आने चाहिए, but 6 to the power n, but prime factorization, right? This is the prime factorization, 2 की power alpha into 3 की power, these are prime numbers, but prime factorization of 6 to the power n does not contain any 5. So 6 to the power n cannot end with 0 for any power of n, any natural number n. Let's see. At this place, maybe we can insert our next question. Sixth part. तो हमें रीजन करना है, एक्सप्लेन करना है कि why are these composite numbers. तो first है 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13, without any calculation, let's say, right? तो मैं यहाँ पे 13 कॉमन ले सकता हूँ and I will have 7 into 11 plus 1. So I will not do any calculation. I will say, so this is 13 times some number m, right? So I'm calling this thing to be m. So this number is made up of some product of two numbers, and this is not a prime number, so it is a composite number. Prime number में सिर्फ दो factors होते हैं. So I can say, so 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 have at least two factors, right? At least two factors which are not from which any one of is not one, right? At least two factors, so which are 17 and 13 and let's say 7 into 11 plus 1. So it is a composite number. You can calculate the whole number and write down the prime factors and show that it is not a composite number. And then second part में हमारे पास यहाँ अवेलेबल है तो सेकेंड पार्ट में हमारे पास अवेलेबल है 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 या तो हम ये पूरा कैलकुलेशन करें फिर उसमें प्लस 5 करें otherwise I can just take common 5 है this is 5 into some number right this is 5 अगर हम कॉमन ले लें 7 into 6 यहाँ से 5 गया 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 which is some number plus 1 so this number is product of two numbers and none of them is 1 and none of them is 1 so it is a composite number. Now let's do the last question of this exercise. So there is a circular path around a sports field. Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round of the field. Ravi takes 12 minutes for the same. Suppose they both start at the same point at the same time and go in the same direction. After how many minutes they will meet each other again at the starting point. So let's see. So there's a round field and let's say there are two people. So first of them is Sonia. इन्हें 18 मिनट लगते हैं पूरे ग्राउंड का राउंड कवर करने में एंड देन देयर इज Ravi. He takes 12 minutes. So let's see. Once they start, तो Ravi is faster, right? ठीक है उसको कम टाइम लगता है and she is slower. She takes 18 minutes. So एक बारी once they start running, they will not meet in the first round क्योंकि रवि हमेशा आगे चलेगा. After 12 minutes, Ravi will be here and Sonia will complete 2/3 of the round, right? Okay. So the answer lies in the again HCF of these two numbers. So HCF आप चाहे प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन से निकाल लीजिए चाहे आप यूक्लिड्स डिवीजन एल्गोरिथम से निकाल लीजिए बट लेट्स सी 12 क्या है 2 की पावर 2 into 3 की पावर 1 and 18 is 2 to the power 1 into 3 to the power 2 and HCF of these two numbers I'm sorry LCM and the answer lies in LCM lowest common factor. LCM of these two numbers is highest powers 2 की power 2 into 3 की power 2 which is 4 into 9 which is 36 minutes. So what happens after 36 minutes? Okay. What happens after 36 minutes? After 36 minutes रवि के कितने राउंड कंप्लीट हो जाएंगे 12 मिनट में एक 24 मिनट में दो एंड 36 मिनट बाद उसके 3 राउंड कंप्लीट हो जाएंगे सोनिया विल कंप्लीट 2 राउंड्स एंड दे विल मीट एट द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट so try to imagine this this is the scenario after 12 minutes, right? So let me draw 3-4 figures, right? ये है t is equal to 0 पे, ठीक है, and both of them are here, right? Then time is equal to जब 12 minutes हो जाएगा, तो Ravi will be back here and Sonia will have completed the 2/3 of the round. She must have just completed the 2/3 of the round, क्योंकि उसको 18 मिनट पूरे राउंड में लगता है, तो 12 मिनट में she will complete 2/3. So Ravi is here, और वो आगे ही चल रहा है अभी तक. So Sonia can never catch up to Ravi, but Ravi can catch up after some time. So after 24 minutes, तो रवि के 2 राउंड कंप्लीट हो गए. रवि कम्स हियर एंड सोनिया का एक और 2/3 राउंड कंप्लीट हो गया, तो शी विल बी हियर. बट इमेजिन लाइक दिस कि रवि आगे ही चल रहा है एंड आफ्टर टाइम इज इक्वल टू 36 मिनट्स सोनिया विल कंप्लीट 2/3 ऑफ मोर राउंड एंड रवि पूरा एक और राउंड कंप्लीट कर ले एंड दे विल मीट अगेन हियर. ठीक है, तो the answer lies in the LCM here. Hopefully you like this lecture. Notes will be available below under the video. Thank you.